normally they don't stick on to one. That is the problem. We stick
Okay.
on to one.
Okay. Got it.
If it is email, we stick on to emails, and we expect everything to come as emails. And as you told, we all I mailed you. I emailed you. It has become I mailed you, and we think it's this is
Yeah.
the only way of communication. I have seen these chaps being sometimes messaging on WhatsApp, sometimes on Teams, and they expect us to, coordinate all that and accept as one, because for them it is an ecosystem. So this idea of ecosystem, we are not that accepted on this ecosystem thought process. But because these guys are digitally more sound, I would say the generation is digitally more sound. They understand the ecosystem better, and that is why they use every aspect of the ecosystem. Instead of emailing, there's another thing which these chaps have started doing, is they will collaborate on a Google slide and they'll send me. So they are not sending me the presentation now. If I
Mm.
look for an email with a presentation, I am not getting it. Why? Because they have
Okay.
made me a collaborator and they are doing whatever they have to do in that Google slides. I am supposed to go and visit that. So if
Mm.
I, as a leader, am expecting him or her to send me a deck of presentation, and I look at my email and say, "Hey, Santosh, you haven't sent me the deck." Now Santosh has shared it on day one,
Mm.
and he feels that I have been extremely transparent with Gauri. She knows how I'm progressing. Actually, if you look at it, it is actually way beautiful than what we used to do. We will only send after it is done. Now, this chap has made me the collaborator from day one. I can see what he has done all through the day, how he's progressed. And they're the second thing which is very important with respect to communication, with respect to this generational differences, feedback.